Alright guys, so today we'll be doing an unboxing from our friends over at Motor Racing. So they sent N.R.T a speed gauge. Got some garbage from our previous unboxing video I'll throw in here. Of this heated jacket from our friends over at Tide. But yeah, we sent N.R.T this gauge for the Bowens. Go ahead and open it up. They did send me another one, but the thing with that is it turned out to be way too big. So I'll go get the firewall and dash and line it up and see if it'll fit. We'll see this live. Hopefully it does. Okay. Stick it in there like that. Okay, just like that. Just keep screwing that down till it gets tight. There it is right there, guys. Looks very nice. Sent me a little instruction book and some parts for it to hook it all up. But yeah, that's the way to go. So I'll put a link in the description or comments to the website. Go check them out. And that looks very nice. So I just have to hook. I mean, I don't think I'll be doing 120 with this. Maybe 60, but. Yeah, and I got my RPM gauge right there. I was going to have them in both, so the one they previous sent me, which is right here, which I'm just going to put on the Raptor cart. As you can see, it is way bigger, and I didn't want to cut all that out. But it has the RPM and the speed in it. And I wanted that to make it compact, but that wouldn't work, so I just got this little RPM gauge here and drilled a hole in, hot glued and screwed it right there. And that's the RPM gauge, that's the speed gauge. It's light switch 1, light switch 2, key switch, choke, throttle, all that. So, but this unboxing video on that, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and there'll be more to come. Like we'll be showing you how to wire it up and how to how does it work, and we'll put it to the test. But that's very nice. That fit just perfect right there. So. I want to say a huge thanks to Motor Racing again for sending these out, and catch you guys on the next one. Please subscribe, like, comment, share.